Hello everybody, welcome to KSI Data Research. Welcome to Data Analytics Data Science Classroom.
So what I can give you the today's tips. Let me go to the SQL server and explain it to you. So share my screen. So I'm just opening my SQL server. So here you can see under the Objects Explorer, there are number of database over here. So I'm taking one of the database is HR schema, open over here. Take one of the tables, the employee tables. So just write the query to see all the data. So select all from employee. So now if I execute this, you will see all the data in a table. So from here, if I ask you to give me first 5 row or first 10 row or first 7 row, whatever the number of rows I wanted to see, you should be able to give it to me and show me how. Just write the top 5 row. So just write top 5. That will give you the top 5 row. Okay. So if you write top 10 row, you'll get top 10 row. So usually when the table is too big and it has millions of data, so then we can write this kind of query in order to see some number of rows from the table in order to view the data to understand. Okay. So situation like that. But if you need to see the bottom 5 rows or bottom few rows, bottom 3 rows, 5 rows, 10 rows, how you can do that? That is the tips I'm giving to you today. So if I just write bottom over here, bottom, and there is no such thing is a bottom actually. Okay, you will say incorrect syntax. Okay, so there is a no bottom function over here. So if you have to write top, there is a no other way. Okay, so if you need to write top. Okay, so then how I can get the uh, bottom data from here? So if you see from here, see this table, if you look at this table is started employee ID from the 100, 101. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you will see it has a 206, 205. So 204, 203. If I wanted to get the last 5 rows or last 2 rows from here, how I can get that? There is no bottom. So still I have to write top 2, and then I can get the top 2. But only way I can get from the last 2 row, 205 and 206, if I just change the order of the this employee ID. Okay, so these are the number if I change the order. So if I just write order by employee ID descending, then you will get the last 2 row. See, 205 and 206. So you can change the order of the column. Okay, so it could be ascending order or it could be descending order. If you put the descending, then you will get the last 2 from that data. So you can get last 2 or last 10 or anything you want. You just put that and you just change the order of the data. So you can get the last 10 rows from the table. So this is the quick tips for you guys. Sometimes we need to see the bottom data because sometimes the data table has millions of data. We cannot just see from all the data. So we have to see the top, we have to see some bottom. So in that case, we can follow this way. All right. So this is quick tips. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching. Wait for the next tips. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you like to have more tips in the field of SQL, Power BI, Python for machine learning, advanced Excels, subscribe our channel. Also, if you like to join free webinar, follow our Facebook page and website. Please check the link below in the description. Thank you again.